You aren't buying fuel, you're buying a psychological trick engineered to make you pay for rock. That famous blue bag sitting in your garage? It's a lie. It is 30% limestone, coal dust, and borax. Fillers that turn your ash white just to make you feel like it's burning clean. The industry is hiding the truth. They want you to believe that if you don't pay $30 for a boutique luxury brand, you're stuck with chemical-filled trash. They want you to ignore the value gap, a hidden tier of pure hardwood fuels that deliver 80% of the performance at half the cost. Today, we are conducting a forensic audit of the 5 gold mines the industry ignores. We are stripping away the logos to reveal the cheap brands that provide steel-gauge performance on a tin-foil budget. If you want to stop burning money and start burning pure carbon, you need to see the brands they don't want you to find. The name on the bag is a distraction. The chemistry is the only truth. Look at this. This is the crime in real time. A single bag of the leading brand leaves behind a mountain of waste. Because barbecue isn't just a hobby, it's a thermal energy calculation. When you buy a bag of standard briquettes, you are participating in a manufacturing playbook designed to maximize margin, not flavor. They take sawdust, the literal floor sweepings of the timber industry, and bind it together with fossil coal for heat and borax for release from the mold. The result? A product that is 32% ash by weight. Think about that. 40 cents of every dollar you spend is going straight into the ash pan before the meat even hits the grate. The math the industry hides is simple. High ash content is a thermal insulator. It chokes your fire, creates temperature swings, and coats your brisket in a fine layer of mineral dust that tastes like a chemistry lab. We've been conditioned to think that if lump charcoal, pure carbonized wood, doesn't cost $30 a bag, it isn't real. That ends today. We are looking for the sweet spot, 50 cents to $1.20 per pound. We are looking for the brands that provide the mass, the thermal cycling, and the purity required to turn a cheap piece of choice brisket into something that tastes like it came out of a $1,000 offset smoker in Central Texas. Think about the physics of a long cook. You need radiation, not just fire. See that? When your fuel is full of minerals, the limestone forms a physical barrier. You aren't burning fuel, you're fighting a wall of rock just to get to the heat. It is inefficiency by design. By switching to the brands we're about to discuss, you aren't just saving money at the register, you're saving money on the total volume of fuel consumed per pound of meat. Number 5 on the list is a brand most people walk right past at the big box hardware store, Masterbuilt. Now, Masterbuilt is known for mass-market electric smokers, products I've been critical of because they prioritize convenience over the physics of combustion. But their charcoal is an industrial anomaly. At under $25 for a 16-pound bag, the data shows this is a pure hardwood contender that punches 3 weight classes above its price. In my own independent stress tests, I've seen a single load of this stuff maintain a steady, unwavering 250 degrees for 9 hours in a drum smoker. 9 hours! That is a duration that directly contradicts the cheap wood narrative. Now, a word of caution on the chemistry. Masterbuilt starts dirty. You'll see thick, acrid white smoke. Those are the volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, burning off. Stop! Do not throw your meat on yet. Wait for those resins to exit the chat. But once it clears, it settles into a beautiful, transparent heat. The flavor profile is a pleasant hardwood aroma, neutral, reliable, and devoid of that harsh, metallic bite you get from mesquite-heavy budget blends. The trade-off here is that you are paying with your time. You have to wait 20 minutes for a full chimney start instead of 15. But for a casual Saturday cook, I'll take that 5-minute delay to keep $10 in my pocket. The chunk size distribution is surprisingly high quality, Plenty of fist-sized pieces and very little of the fines or dust that usually pad out the bottom of a budget bag. It's a strategy. Use this for your weekday chicken and burgers and save the expensive stuff for the Christmas prime rib. When you pour this out, listen to the sound. It shouldn't sound like cardboard hitting the floor. It should sound like glass. That tink-tink sound is the evidence of high carbonization. It means the moisture is gone, the resins are gone, and what's left is a pure carbon skeleton ready to give its life for your ribeye. If you've spent any time in the barbecue belts of the South or the Midwest, you've seen the orange bag, B&B oak lump. This is the industrialist's choice. It's usually found at Academy Sports or Ace Hardware, and it sits right in that beautiful 50-cent per pound sweet spot. B&B is the antithesis of the lifestyle brand. They don't spend money on flashy Instagram ads, they spend it on the carbonization process. They use a specific kiln firing method that aggressively removes foreign materials, resins, and acids from the oak before it ever touches a bag. When you open a bag of B&B, you see the truth. You aren't looking at unidentifiable scrap or furniture floorings. You are looking at identifiable pieces of tree limbs and trunks. You can see the bark patterns. You can see the rings. It is a visual confirmation of sourcing quality that a briquette buyer will never experience. The thermal mass of oak is the key here. Oak is the Goldilocks of barbecue woods. It's denser than fruit woods, providing a longer burn, but it isn't as temperamental as hickory. On the grate, B&B maintains a high-intensity infrared heat that is perfect for searing steaks at 700 degrees, but it has the thermal legs to carry a pork butt through a 12-hour stall without needing a refill every 60 minutes. But even a legend has its flaws. Now, I have to be the whistleblower on one point. Over the last 24 months, we've seen a slight softening in their quality control. Long-term users have noted that the monster chunks are becoming rarer, replaced by medium-sized pieces. Is it a deal breaker? No. It's still miles ahead of the limestone-filled competition. It is the fuel that built the Texas barbecue legend, and it's sitting on a shelf at Lowe's for $20. Think about the smell of a Central Texas smokehouse, that specific, peppery, clean scent of post oak. B&B delivers that exact profile to your backyard without needing a cord of wood and a chainsaw. When that oak hits the hot zone, the aroma is unmistakable and professional. And the best part? The ash it leaves behind is so minimal, you'll think the fire went out. But it didn't. It just burned clean. We need to have a difficult conversation about Royal Oak. This channel has been less than kind to Royal Oak briquettes in the past. And for good reason. Their briquette line is a high-ash, coal-heavy product that represents everything wrong with the big retail approach to barbecue. But the Royal Oak lump charcoal is a completely different animal. It is a separate production line, a separate philosophy, and a separate chemistry. It shares a logo with the briquette, but it shares none of its sins. At $20 for a 30-pound bag at Home Depot, this is the convenience king of the lump world. While the Masterbuilt we discussed earlier takes its time to get ready, Royal Oak Lump is a sprinter. It is fast. We're talking red-hot, clean-burning heat in 15 minutes flat. Why? Because the wood density is lower. See the difference? This clean black carbon is what you want. This brown stuff is a failure. That's why Royal Oak is one of the few budget brands that publishes their filtering process. They use magnetic separation to pull out metal contaminants, a common problem in the scrap wood world, and manual inspection for brown charcoal, which is wood that hasn't been fully carbonized. The trade-off is the burn rate. Because it's less dense, it burns faster. If you're doing a 16-hour brisket in a thin-walled offset, you're going to be feeding the beast more often. But for the person who just wants to grill some high-quality ribeyes on a Tuesday night after work, this is the logical choice. It's reliable, it's pure wood, and it's available in almost every zip code in America. Don't let the sins of the briquette bag scare you away from the purity of the lump bag. Imagine you've just got home from a 10-hour shift. You don't want to wait 45 minutes for a boutique South American hardwood to reach temp. You want the violent, searing heat of a domestic blend. Royal Oak Lump is your Tuesday night hero. It's the spark that turns a mundane dinner into a culinary event before the sun even goes down. Number 2 is Cowboy Lump Charcoal. Now, I can already hear the comments section typing. But what about the species labeling? What about the USDA study? Let's address the villain narrative head-on. In 2025, a Forest Service study found that almost every major brand had inaccuracies in their species labeling. They said it was hickory, but it was actually oak. So what? For a fast, high-heat cook, the thermal performance of oak and hickory is virtually identical. Your steak doesn't know the difference, and neither does your palate. As a pitmaster, I don't care if a bag of $20 charcoal is 60% oak or 40% oak. I care about 2 things. Is there coal in it? And does it burn clean? Cowboy's standard oak, hickory, and maple blend passes the whistleblower test with flying colors. It is pure hardwood. No limestone, no borax, no industrial binders. It is simply carbonized wood. The flavor profile of the Cowboy blend is actually its greatest strength. By blending species, they create a balanced smoke. Single-species mesquite charcoal can be aggressive. It can make your chicken taste like a campfire. But the Cowboy blend is mellow. It's sweet. It's the kind of smoke that complements the meat rather than competing with it. The math here is simple. You are getting a multi-species, pure hardwood fuel for about $1 a pound. It burns hot, it burns fast, and it produces a minimal ash footprint. For the cook who focuses on burgers, wings, and sausages, the high-heat staples of the American backyard, Cowboy is a gold mine. It's not a lifestyle product, it's a tool. And it's a tool that works every single time you light the match. When you look into the bag, you'll see varying textures. Some pieces are smooth, some are craggy. That's the beauty of the blend. Each species of wood has a different ignition temperature. As the fire moves through the basket, it's hitting different notes. A little hickory punch here, a smooth maple finish there. It's a symphony of combustion that the single-species snobs are missing out on. Let them pay $30 for a bag of pure whatever. We'll be over here with the better flavor and the extra $10. Finally, we reach the number 1 spot. The brand that is currently disrupting the entire premium narrative. Harder Charcoal XL. If you've followed this channel, you know I love Quebracho Blanco, the axe-breaker wood from South America. It is the densest wood on the planet. It burns like coal but tastes like heaven. For years, if you wanted Quebracho, you had to pay the jealous devil tax. You were paying a premium for the brand and the marketing. Not anymore. Harder Charcoal XL is sourcing that same South American white Quebracho and putting it in a 33-pound bag for about $40. That is a per-pound price that makes the boutique brands look like a robbery. Forget the material science, just look at the burn. While the cheap stuff vanishes in a puff of ash, this stays a glowing, glassy heat for hours. You get almost zero smoke after the light, and a temperature stability that is simply unmatched. This is the ultimate victory for the informed buyer. You are getting the exact same chemical composition, the exact same thermal energy, and the exact same XL chunk size as the most expensive brands in the world. but you're doing it at a price point that allows you to use it every single weekend. They even address the ethical side, sourcing from naturally fallen trees and sustainable stands. Whether you believe the corporate green narrative or not, the engineering truth is undeniable. This is the highest performing fuel on this list. It is the enlightened choice for the pitmaster who wants the best but refuses to pay for the logo. When you hold a piece of Harder XL, you feel the weight. It's substantial. When you drop it into your firebox, it commands the space. The heat it puts off is a dry heat, a pure infrared energy that penetrates the meat deeply, rendering fat in a way that domestic hardwoods simply can't match. This is the fuel for the cook you've been dreaming about. The one where the bark is perfect, the smoke ring is deep, and the guests are asking for your secrets. Your secret is just better math. Here is your battle plan. Masterbuilt, B&B, Royal Oak Lump, Cowboy, and Harder XL. These aren't just cheap alternatives. They are the engineering truth of the barbecue world. The industry wants you to believe you have two choices. Poison yourself with 30% rock in a blue bag, or spend your kids' college fund on artisan charcoal. They are lying to you. Quality is a function of material purity and density. Every brand on this list meets the threshold of 100% hardwood. No coal, no limestone, no deception. My strategy? I run Harder XL or B&B for my long, overnight briskets where temperature stability is everything. When the sun goes down and I need to sleep, I need a fuel that isn't going to spike or dive. I need the density of the South American white oak or the reliable thermal mass of the Texas orange bag. But for my Tuesday night tacos, I'm reaching for that bag of Royal Oak Lump or Masterbuilt. I'm saving money without sacrificing the clean smoke that makes barbecue worth doing in the first place. Stop paying for the limestone. Stop being a victim of the white ash trick. The next time you're at the store, walk past the wall of blue bags. Ignore the flashy displays for the $25 specialty boxes. Find the lump aisle, look for these 5 names, and take control of your fire. Barbecue is an ancient art, but it's powered by modern physics. When you choose a fuel that is pure, you're removing the variables. You're making it easier for yourself to succeed. You're ensuring that the flavor of the meat, the star of the show, isn't being clouded by the smell of a burning chemistry set. The construction tells the truth. The logo tells a story. If you've spent your life cleaning out mountains of limestone ash because a marketing department told you it was traditional, the math has now set you free. If this forensic audit changed the way you're buying fuel this weekend, subscribe to join the group of smart buyers who prioritize material science over lifestyle branding. We don't chase stories here, we chase the thermal truth. Class dismissed. I'll see you at the grill.